How to make a Bratz blanket. Making a blanket that suits your Bratz doll is very simple. You should be able to achieve this using items already in your house. Steps. 1. Find an old pillowcase or an old t-shirt. Get a needle, thread, and scissors. 2. Cut the t-shirt or pillowcase in half. 3. Take one piece of the cut fabric and cut it into a neat rectangle that is slightly longer and about 3 times wider than the doll. Repeat for the other piece so that you have 2 pieces. 4. Stitch the pieces together with a little soft padding or wadding between the 2 pieces. Use blanket stitch to finish off the edges. 5. Add some lace, binding, or other decorative elements to finish off the blanket. 6. Put your Bratz doll to bed. Cover her with her wonderful new blanket. Easy as. Tips. Keep all cutting lines straight. Use dressmaker's chalk to mark the lines if you can't cut straight without following a line. Warnings. Use proper sewing scissors to cut the fabric. Get help from an adult if you are unable to handle scissors safely. Things. Pillowcase or t-shirt. Thin padding or wadding. Needle. Thread. Scissors. Embellishments such as sequins, ribbon, binding, lace, etc.